For the asymmetry test, you need to have this in slow motion again. When you do the assessment, I need your hands on the hips again, and I need to know how high the box is. So if this is an assessment for imbalances when you're coming back from an injury, say like an ACL injury, then we'll go on the lower end, we'll go maybe 10 to 20 centimetre height box. And if you're a healthy person, then we could go up more towards 30 to 40 centimetres. Maybe even half a metre, but sort of 30 to 40 would be fine. I just need to know the height in centimetres. Again, needs to be in slow motion, and again your hands need to be on the hips. Now you'll you'll step off the box, you won't actually jump off it, but I just need to make sure that your back foot comes off this step before your foot makes contact. So if I'm here, it will need to be that kind of coordination. So there's two things, well there's really three things that I'm looking for. There's two things that the app that I'm going to use is going to measure. The app is going to measure the difference in your contact time between left foot and right foot, and it's going to measure the difference in flight time. So how long you're in the air for between left and right. So again, when you jump, keep your legs straight, don't pull your knee up, that gives us a false measurement. But yeah, you're trying to quickly land and jump as high as you can, and then stick your landing again as best as you can. So the third thing that it's going to measure, or that I'm going to measure or assess, is how stable you look from left to right, if there's any knee ducking in or any of these imbalances. But all I'm going to get you to do, just in one slow motion shot, is you do one jump on your left leg and then one jump on your right leg. Again, ideally you're going to have fast contact time, and ideally you're going to have a high flight time or a long flight time. But really, the first thing I'm interested in is imbalances between left and right. That's the first thing. So that will tell me how well you can absorb force, and then how well you can then transfer the braking of the force, and then turn it back into producing force again. And so imbalances there are really what I'm looking for.